When disaster strikes, knowing basic first aid could save a life. Whether it's treating wounds or recognizing warning signs of serious illness, every prepper should master these essential skills. Let's start with bleeding control. Pack a tourniquet and learn how to use it. Add sterile gauze, medical tape, and antiseptic wipes to your kit. These items are critical for managing cuts and severe injuries. Next, familiarize yourself with CPR and rescue breathing. These life-saving techniques are essential for emergencies where seconds count. Consider a certification course to gain hands-on experience. Include over-the-counter medications like pain relievers, antihistamines, and antidiarrheals in your portable medical kit. They address common issues that can arise during a crisis. Don't forget to prepare for burns. Keep burn dressings and aloe vera gel on hand to soothe and protect damaged skin. Finally, learn how to recognize symptoms of shock, dehydration, and hypothermia. Early intervention is key to keeping conditions from worsening. By equipping yourself with these skills and tools, you'll be ready to handle medical challenges off the grid or in an urban emergency. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.